Welcome to my channel. Life is messy, but I am learning as I grow. I'm Mary Ellen, and around here we mix up good food, hands-on creativity, a bit of gardening, and plenty of perfectly imperfect projects. This channel isn't about perfection. It's about the process, learning and growing with every DIY. If you're looking for a creamy, dreamy treat that's dairy-free, plant-based, and comes together in minutes, you're in the right place. This delicious recipe is made right in a high-speed blender. No fancy equipment, no long ingredient lists, just simple, wholesome goodness. There's something extra satisfying about homemade ice cream. You know exactly what's in it, you can tweak it to your taste, and it always feels like a little kitchen victory. Whether you're avoiding dairy or just want a healthier alternative, this recipe is proof that homemade can be just as indulgent, and even better than store-bought. You'll find the written recipe linked in the comments section. You will need 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of coconut cream, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add everything into your high-speed blender. Did you know the first ice cream-like dessert dates all the way back to ancient China? Around 200 BC, they mixed snow with milk and rice to make an early version of frozen dessert. Proof that people have loved creamy, icy treats for thousands of years. Use your ice cream button or pulse your ice cream for 2 minutes. Why did the ice cream truck break down? Because it drove over a rocky road. Pour into an ice cream container. Let freeze for until solid. It will take about 6 hours. Let your ice cream soften for a bit before serving. And just like that, you've got a creamy, delicious, dairy-free treat made right at home. It's quick, affordable, and a sweet reminder that homemade can be both simple and satisfying. If you want to make it yourself, the full recipe is linked in the video description. Comment below with your favorite ice cream flavor. Maybe we'll make it together soon. Thanks so much for watching and being part of my messy life. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to like and subscribe so we can keep creating and learning together. I'd love to know, what's something new you've tried lately, even if it didn't go perfectly? Drop it in the comments. Around here, it's all about the process, not perfection, and every little mess is part of the growth. See you next time.